Are people visiting your website but not contacting you? No calls, no form fills, and no sales. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly why your homepage isn't converting and how to fix it fast. Most small business websites don't have a traffic problem. They have a clarity problem. And the good news is, it's fixable. All right, let's fix this. If we haven't met, my name's Rob McDonald, and I help small business owners like you be successful with their WordPress websites. If you're a small business owner, a coach, consultant, photographer, or service provider, you built your site yourself or had someone build it for you years ago, this video's for you. You don't need more plugins. You don't need a full redesign. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need your homepage to do its job. And that job is simple. Turn visitors into leads. Let's start at the top of your homepage. Let's start with your headline. This is the first thing people read. And most homepages say something like, "Welcome to my website. Quality services since 2012. Or it might just say the business name. Here's the problem. Your visitor is thinking one thing. Is this site for me? If they can't tell in 5 seconds, they leave. Your headline should answer 3 things. Who do you help? What problem you solve? What result they get? For example, instead of Sarah Johnson Consulting, try marketing strategy for busy coaches who want more clients. Doesn't that sound better? Can you see the difference? One is about you, the other is about them. Here's a simple formula. I help who get result without pain. Simple, right? Clear, but powerful. Fix this first. Now let's talk about your buttons. What do you want people to do when they visit your site? Do you want them to book a call, request a quote, buy a product? Most homepages give too many choices. 6 menu items, 3 different buttons, a pop-up, a newsletter form, social media icons everywhere. That creates stress. When people feel confused, they leave. It's that simple. You need one primary action, just one. Here's some examples. Book a call. Get a quote. Schedule a free consultation. Shop now. Put that button at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. Make it obvious. Don't make people think they don't like that. Now let's talk about your content. Most business owners list features, for example. Custom WordPress design, SEO optimization, responsive layout, advanced integrations. Your visitor doesn't care about features. They care about results. They want more clients, more sales, and less stress, more time. So instead of saying, I build fast websites, say something like, your website loads fast so customers don't leave. That's a lot more powerful. Instead of, I offer SEO services, say instead, I'll help you show up on Google when people search for your service. See the shift? Feature to outcome. Always ask yourself, so what? If you say mobile responsive design, ask yourself, so what? So your site works perfectly on phones and you don't lose customers. That's what people care about. Now let's talk about trust. When someone lands on your homepage, they're asking themselves, can I trust this person? If your homepage has no testimonials, no reviews, no real photos, no proof, That's a red flag. You don't need 50 testimonials. Start with 1 to 3. Short, specific, but real. Even better, show a result. Before and after. Traffic growth leads increase. Traffic growth leads increase, a client success story. And use a real photo of yourself. People buy from people, not logos. Now let's talk about clutter and speed. Too many sections. Huge blocks of text, massive images, slow loading speed. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, people are going to leave, especially on mobile devices. Here's what I do. Remove extra sections, shorten your text, compress large images, limit unnecessary plugins. Simple beats fancy every time. Clear beats clever. A clean homepage converts better than a flashy one every time. Let me give you a simple homepage structure you can follow. First, have a clear headline. This would be who you help and the result. Second, short explanation of the problem you solve. Third, benefits, not features. Fourth, proof, testimonials or results. And fifth, strong call to action. That's it. You don't need 20 sections. You don't need animations. You need clarity. Now I want to hear from you. What is your homepage supposed to do? Do you want it to get leads, sell products, or book calls? Drop your website below and tell me your goal. I'll tell you what I'd fix first. And if you want the simple homepage checklist, it's in the pinned comment below. If this video helped, hit like. Subscribe if you want simple WordPress help without the tech stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.